48-hour general strike imposed by COCOMI, which began yesterday, continued to impact the state today as well. The general strike was imposed in protest of the controversial incident of Gualtabi on May 20, where Mahar Regiment ordered media persons to remove the word Manipur from the Manipur State Transport bus, which was carrying them to cover 5th Siroi Lili Festival. Maira Paibi of Nambol also staged protest by blocking roads at Nambol Bazaar today in support of the general strike. However, ambulance, people going for religious events and other essential duties were allowed passage. General Secretary of United Protection Committee Nambol, Women Wing Laiprakpam Premila, asserted that the authorities have never engaged in meaningful discussions to resolve the 2-year-long conflict, accusing Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah of consistently undermining the people of Manipur. She also demanded clarification from both central and state government if the order to obstruct the word Manipur was instructed by Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh or Union Home Minister Amit Shah.
Nagaga, Kukiga, Maitai Pangal, Akoi Punna, Minariba, Akoi Iramda Manipur se, Siroi Lili, Day 21 Dagi, Augadaba Siroi Lili se, Madu, Tauba or Tautaba, Sahigi Lajarabani, Aduga, Sapa or Sataba, Adu Akoi Kande, Tauba Dabo, Akoi Manipur, State Transport Tabase, Manipur Taba Yaro Habase, Akoi Iramda Manipur Sibo, Kanana Katapanum Nadageba. Masi security advisor na tawibra natragana amisagi ordera kanagi order na masi mayek sengan bapa ameba akoi iram na Manipur se akoi ni hingle matamda kanana muthat pinaba kana marin leba kana tholo sige mahing je hingba oiba taraga de akoi Manipur thaba yadaga de Manipur da leba yade China da layo hai bro Japan da layo hai bro akoi karamba country olo hai bro heta hai bi une open de heta akoi on gi yanye pre-major status ta akoi hauji kari pandam thammi madu su mokoi khangbi gadamne history yaudaba history khangdaba mayam amana makok oiraga Manipur je akoi chagai ne to wi gano